Welcome back to GreenTGarden. So today I'm going to show you very simple and easy my weed barrier. It's basically, guys, if you're now starting off a garden or you have an area that you don't want to have weed around, instead of throwing chemicals, spraying chemicals or weed whacking or trying to pull out weed constantly, guys, putting down a weed barrier is much easier, it's faster, and it helps for a long time. There's a lot of different type of weed barrier. I tried maybe 4 of them. I even got one from the dollar store. Please don't do that. I regret that. As soon as I put it down and made one step, I think I took half of it out with me. So that was no good, guys. Don't get it from the dollar store. Please don't. So after doing a lot of research, guys, I finally found one on Amazon. It's a heavy duty one, and it also comes with these lines. Guys, so my garden is a hot mess right now. So we're looking at my garden right now, my outside garden, which I'm still cleaning and doing stuff. If you guys look right there, that blue line, it's all the way gone straight up. So guys, the blue line, it helps you guide you if you want to plant in a row, or you want to have a walkway or a runner. Like in my lines, I have watermelons, they're running. So this weed barrier actually helps a lot with the line. And if you look right here, guys, I'm telling you, look, see that? It's stiff. It's like a stiff, see that? It's like a stiff, high quality one. It doesn't rip that easy. And all I did, like right here, guys, all I did was cut a square hole. You know, I even thought that hole was big. I did that was 6 by 6. You could cut 4 by 4 even, and you could cut it with a knife or a scissors. It's easy, guys. So all you do, it comes in a roll, and you just roll it out wherever you want to roll it out. And then I got these landscaper staples. You could get like nails or whatever they sell, but these guys were like 200 piece. And all you do, you just put it down. I took a hammer and just nailed it down, and it holds it. You can see right there, it holds it pretty solid, guys. There's no weed growing on this paper, so it's definitely strong. If you wherever is cut and you open, you're gonna have some weed. You could always pull it out with your hands or cut and come closer. I cut mine 6 by 6 because I want to make sure I have, you know, enough air for my roots. But you could cut it smaller, guys. It's not a big deal. But this weed barrier is awesome, guys. I love it. It's the best, and compared to all the rest that I tried so far, the rest is just, I'm telling you guys, light. If you're looking for heavy duty or one that you walk every day on, I'm telling you, this weed barrier is the best so far, guys. And now today, after I finish all my stuff, like all this, I could sweep it out. You know, it doesn't have a problem in the water. I could open up the hose, anything I want, and no problem, guys. And this you could leave down throughout the whole winter. Next summer, it's still here for you. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box for the staple and this weed barrier, guys. Click the description box below. I'll have all the details and information and everything about it. It's high quality, heavy duty weed barrier. Instead of buying a cheap weed barrier that you're gonna put down and you're gonna staple down, you're gonna nail it down, and then you walk a couple times, or even the next year coming, then you rip it up, you gotta throw it away, and then you gotta buy again, you're wasting a lot of money like that. So put down something heavy duty like this, and everything is great. My plant runs on it, and your plant, you're actually saving your plant on this, because once my squash and zucchini, they're growing on this, they're not touching the dirt, so they're not getting any disease or anything. They're on the weed barrier, so it grows better, and it helps my garden and it actually keeps out a lot of bugs, a lot of stuff out of it. So guys, check in my description box below. I'm gonna leave all details. If you like my video, guys, and you're all about garden stuff, guys, please click on the red subscribe button. It's 100% free, and it will help my channel grow, guys, and definitely gives a thumbs up. Really do appreciate it, and thank you for watching GreenTGarden.